y'all, welcome back. Okay, I look raggedy. I'm gonna look different in a minute because I'm gonna go grab a shower. I've been to the gym, but I wanted to try a challenge to see if I could prepare Thanksgiving dinner for my family of 3 on $25. What I used to, when you guys first started watching me, hey y'all, welcome back. When you guys first started watching me, most of you, I was taking $25 a week for groceries, and that's all the money that I had for my kids. Thanksgiving is coming up, and there are some people who don't have a big Thanksgiving budget. They may not have family, they may not have friends, they may not have anything that is what we would consider normal. So I was going to give myself a challenge to see if I could do Thanksgiving dinner for $25. And the truth is I cannot. But I came close. So let me show you what I picked up and how the kids and I are getting ready to jump in and get stuff done for this meal. Alrighty, you guys. So my original price was going to be $25. I ended up spending $31.50. However, this right here was $1.50, so I'm going to take that off. That's going to be $30. And this is coming off. That's $2. So it actually ended up being, for what you see here, $28. So I got 2 things of green beans, cream of chicken soup, 1 thing of cranberries. I got chicken. They did not have a whole chicken at my Food Lion. And so I ended up just getting these chicken legs because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, that's enough for 2 meals. It's enough for really 3 meals. Because if we had 3, let me see, it's 14. That's almost 5 chicken legs a piece. Let's count 4 chicken legs a piece, which is enough for 2 meals plus 3 more extra legs. 2 extra legs, which I'm actually going to take 2 of these and make chicken stock. So it'll be perfect. Then I got mashed potatoes. We got sour cream and chives plus a butter. They were $1.25 each. This cake was $1. The stuffing was $2. Now, before anybody comes for me saying, oh my God, she don't know how to cook, I do not like dressing. My family doesn't like it, so we don't eat it. I like stovetop. That's what I can eat based on the texture of dressing. I don't like it. Very good. Now, if you want to eat dressing, eat it to your heart's content. And I got this sparkling peach juice to go with the cranberries because it called for a cup of orange juice, but oranges were $1 per orange. It was too expensive. I got 2 things of cheese, which was $3 and some change. And then I had a coupon for $1 something off of 2 cheeses. And then I got these macaroni noodles for 99 cents. And this probably is what put me over with the Hawaiian rolls at $2.99. I also picked up 1 small onion, celery, as well as some sweet potatoes, which were 25 cents a pound. Oh, and we got a gravy. So this is what I was able to pick up with $28 for our Thanksgiving meal. So the kids and I are getting ready to prepare all of the things. This is what we have, and we're going to bring you guys along as we work on it.
Before we jump into the cooking, I wanted to share some of the deals. They had ocean spray cranberries at Food Lion, 2 for $3. I got a bunch of celery for $1.49. Sweet potatoes were a really sweet deal at 25 cents a pound, and we picked up 4 pounds. Onions were $1.29 a pound, but I only needed a small one. Macaroni noodles were 99 cents per pound. I got some of the Kaching green beans. They were 64 cents each. And cake mixes, Duncan Hines, were $1. So we picked up 1 so we could have a dessert. We also decided to get 2 things of mashed potatoes. The Idaho were 4 for $5 or $1.25 each. 1 gravy packet at 89 cents and stovetop stuffing for $2. Cream of chicken soup, $1.29, and I got this family pack of drumsticks for less than $7. Cheese was $1.67 a piece, and I had a coupon. Couldn't afford orange juice, so I settled for this sparkling peach juice for my cranberry sauce, and everything totaled $31.50, subtract $3. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 of these chicken legs from the family pack. I'm going to get all the slime and fat off of there, and I'm going to put that in a pot of water to make some homemade chicken stock. I'm using those chicken legs and then some additional seasoning. I'm adding in 2 stalks of the celery and a little bit of the onion just to get a little bit of a stock going. After I get that done, I am going to season up my chicken legs. I think we ended up with 12 chicken legs in that pan, and we're just going to put those in the oven to roast. Turkey isn't the only meat you can have on Thanksgiving, especially if it's a little bit outside of your budget. So for us, these chicken legs, we got 14 chicken legs for less than $7, and we'll be able to have these for the main meal, and there'll be some left over for another meal. So kind of like our Thanksgiving leftovers. Once I got that into the oven, I started working on the cranberry sauce. I took 1 package of cranberries, got the soft ones out, and then I'm going to add in 1 cup of that peach sparkling cider, and I'm going to add in some Chinese 5-spice, which is allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves. It's all those spices. And don't forget to add your sugar, probably about a cup of sugar, which I did forget. I went back and added it later. We're then going to put on our macaroni noodles, cook these just till al dente. Sister took time to go ahead and do the sweet potatoes. She got all the skins off, and I cut them up and set them on to boil. Our macaroni noodles are done. We seasoned those up, and I'm taking 1 egg and a little bit of almond milk, and we're just making like the custard for the macaroni and cheese. Now, we did have eggs and milk already at home, and we had some butter. So those were items I did not have to pre-purchase, as well as some sugar. We did have that at home as well, and our seasonings, of course. Again, one of the things that I like to mention is not everybody will cook the same things for the holiday. However, this is what our money could afford. Now, I had not intended to buy this bacon in this particular grocery haul because it was not for this, but I ended up using it. I actually had a couple of Food Lion coupons, and this bacon was $1.50 off, so it only cost me $2. And I just went ahead and put that into the pan to crisp up. I'm taking out my sweet potatoes. I'm going to add in vanilla, brown sugar, a little bit of butter. Here is my green beans, or the green bean casserole. I'm taking those bacon and put it on top because I didn't have any meat to really season up the green beans prior. So I'm just putting it on now. And then I'm going to take some of that chicken broth to make the stuffing. Now, I don't like dressing for Thanksgiving. I don't like dressing at all, so I don't make it. I know some people do like it, and I did take the chicken off those 2 chicken legs and put it inside of this stuffing. Normally, we would have hamburger meat and sausage, but that was not in the budget this time. So I did take the chicken off those 2 bones and put it in and use that chicken stock. Here I'm putting some in another pot to make gravy. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm getting ready to put, well, Jackson actually made the gravy, but here is what we were able to do with our $28. I did go ahead and chop up my candy yams. I did not have enough brown sugar, but it again is what I had. So I used what I had, and then I put a little bit of barbecue sauce on the chicken because we don't like our chicken naked. But here is our meal for $28. There's the cake, macaroni and cheese, our stuffing, and all of the fixings. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays.